Hey guys, what's up? This is Chris Schroeder with CS Marketing, and I'm doing this video on behalf of Nico Moreno and the Messenger Bot for Entrepreneurs course. And before I met Nico, I was just phone flipping. I was already an entrepreneur. You know, I was buying and reselling electronics, and I was doing very well with that also. And I had also just started doing Facebook ads for myself, and I took on a couple of clients a couple of months earlier as well. And that's basically what I was doing at that point, and I was doing really well with it. And I saw whenever I first saw Nico's course, my reaction was, I just wanted it. Like, I knew that it was going to be good for my business. I just knew it, and I knew it was going to make me money because I had played around with messenger bots before, and I just couldn't understand them by myself. I decided to join Nico's course just because of just the value that I saw that it had and the amount of free information he gave away as well. But in the course, it was just so much more than that. I learned how to do things so much faster than I would have on my own watching YouTube videos, because there isn't much out there about messenger bots. So that's one reason I decided to join his course, is because I knew I would get a super fast crash course in everything. And now that I've been in the course probably about 3 months now, I can say that it's been one of the best investments that I've ever made. And learning how to do messenger bots the way that Nico taught is going to make me so much money in the future, guys. Like, it's already making me money, but it's going to make me a lot more in the future once I figure out how to market it better, which Nico teaches as well. So I'll probably be upgrading to the inner circle or whatever that he has. So the results that I've had, I have now incorporated chatbots into almost every area of my Facebook marketing for all of my clients. And I've gotten a lot more higher paying clients due to that, because they don't know how to use chatbots. They have no understanding of it. And I do. It makes me a huge asset to these guys. And they really like the chatbots, and it helps them out a lot. So if you're on the fence about joining, look, you just need to do it. Like, if you're really serious about making money in marketing, then Nico's chatbot course is the best out there, guys. Like, hands down. I love it. Thanks, guys.